from the Ministry Office of the Court of the Courts of the State of New Jersey. The next thing you see here says the assignment delivered with the judgment package is executed and dated after the complaint file date, which means that the attorney of Wells Fargo Bank has filed first the complaint, and then after they obtain the assignment of mortgage, which is a bogus and fraudulent, that's why they obtain after. Again here, the assignment is deficient is because the notary lists two different dates the sign of the assignment, 6/11/08 and 5/19/08. This was from Larry F. Scott, April 15, 2009. This is the alleged assignment of mortgage, which is a fraudulent assignment for many reasons. You can see here it's a clear one. Okay. Now here shows the fact that this was the date 11th day of June 2008. Here the fact that the notary of the State of California, County of Sacramento. Here you have on May 19, 2008, a stamp name. This is a stamp name. Okay, this document clearly you can see supposed to be one document. Okay, this and this, the same date and the same time. You know, these people were supposed to be before notary and sign this document, and the notary was supposed to be witness, and it's supposed to be two other witnesses here, which are lack of witness, and the document is supposed to be sealed by the notary to be a legal document. So this is a bogus document, fraudulent document. It's a legal document. It cannot be produced for use for court proceedings. This document being submitted in Somerset County and the court are become felonies. This is a crime because it's perjury, fraud, and everything else. Once anybody produce a bogus document, and once they submit it as a document in the legal system, become felony. This is a seal. This is a deed. This deed was, okay, filed, registered, okay, and in Somerset County clerk office, okay, right, registered there, was filed in record. It's a record in Somerset County. Eyewitness whereof they say Frank J. Provenzano, sir, as such sheriff, I first say I have heard until set my hand and seal this 4th day of October 2010. An attorney here, okay, Thomas Miller, certified that have examined the above deed, mentioned and approved the same and ordered it to be recorded as good, sufficient conveys of the land and real estate therein described. Thomas, attorney law of New Jersey, never saw this paper. He never signed it. Only to think about this signature here, compared to this signature here, it's obvious there is no match right now. Just to see this one here, something is wrong, right? The proof is this, okay? Before I show you the real signature, I'm gonna show you another document. This was the submitted, processed through this Somerset County clerk office for register. So was then submitted in the register on the Somerset County, okay? And this is the same document. When you do a copy, it comes from the original. I should match everything, all right? So if you see these copies here, Okay, I want to show you this one like this. This signature and this signature should be identical. They are not. Okay. This one here and this one here should be identical. They are not. Okay. Now, see this number here? This document was filed on the third appeal in Philadelphia. Okay. And this is the oath of Thomas Miller. He's now a judge. Okay. Who swear to support the Constitution. Okay. Now this is the real signature of Thomas C. Miller. Okay, and then you compare it. Okay, you compare it here, compare it here, compare it here. Okay, compare it with this one here. Huh? This one here, the non-match with this one. The other page is not identical, and different pages, a different document was supposed to be the same identical document. They've been filed through district court, state court, and appellate court, and there be the felonies. This document is felonies. This one here is the actually alleged court order that Frank Provenzano, Sheriff Frank Provenzano, used to come to my house on my property on August 8, 2011 and force evict me and my family tenants from the home, and eventually vandalize all the belongs that were in a house and the business materials of the company that were the tenant in the house. And you can see his official signature. This is the office sign. This was Frank Provenzano signed. Okay, signature here. The August. This was alleged August the 2nd day of August 2011, and this court order was not signed, as Sheriff said, by a judge. Paper here, which I said, this is a forgery signature. This is not Jennifer Perez, acting clerk of a superior court. Okay, signature. Anyway, it's illegal anyway, either if it was, because it was supposed to be sealed and signed for the judge. It's force order. And I can show you the stamp here, this one here. This is the real signature of the clerk office. When you request a document from the acting clerk of Superior Court in Trenton, that's why she's gonna sign it. Okay, that's the way the office signature. So the court order was bogus.